Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can use notification and shortcuts in Google Chat on PC. So to turn on the notification in Google Chat, you can open the Google Chat on your computer, and at the top right you can click settings, and you can turn on notification for Google Chat messages. Just check the box to allow chat notification. That's it. So you can use Google Chat keyboard shortcuts, and you can use keyboard shortcuts to navigate around chat. You can select an option on Chrome operating system and Microsoft Windows. You can press Ctrl+B to start keyboard shortcut. That's it. I hope the information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.